Espresso is my hobby and I have prosumer level equipment. But why would I pick a cheap espresso machine and keep modifying it for 2 years? There is a reason. Keep watching. Espresso is a wonderful hobby, but the cost of obtaining good equipment can be prohibitive for beginners. Just punching the ticket for a decent machine requires a minimum of $400 to $500. The current sweet spot for a good espresso setup for home use is about $2,000 to $3,000. These prices can be shocking. Yes, there are many sub-$300 machines, but they come with many compromises that can never give you the best quality. Good equipment is expensive because of 3 main reasons. First, perfect espresso requires exceptional thermal management, which understandably costs money. The other 2 reasons, however, do not contribute directly to the quality of the coffee. Modern machines have many added features facilitating the workflow and ease of operation. And last but not least, the amazing aesthetics is not cheap either. Just look at them. These machines scream status. For a new espresso enthusiast, the cost barrier is discouraging, and instead of motivating more people to get into this hobby, often the high-end equipment puts people off. Currently, the market does not offer a machine that is affordable with all the necessary specs for a high-end espresso, but without the extra bells and whistles. A capable machine that a beginner can afford, learn on, enjoy, and even discard if realizes espresso is not their cup of tea. One notable area of development are the new generation of simplified manual espresso machines. The success of Lair 58 and the Cafe Robot are a proof that the market demands simplified offerings, delivering espresso with uncompromised quality. I have owned several machines, including ECM Classica paired with Eureka Mignon, Gadget Classic Pro. I had about a year relying only on manual espresso machine. Currently my daily driver is a Scasso Steel Duo paired with DF64 grinder. However, over the years I learned, perhaps a bit late, that for a good espresso you do not need to be obsessed with equipment. Many people modify and upgrade existing machines, but their choices already are in the prosumer territory. I decided to push back even more and pick one of the simplest machines available. It has been manufactured forever and would never be taken seriously by any espresso enthusiast. I started working on it and modified it to the teeth. The final result was unexpectedly positive. With a total cost of about $250 after modifying it in my garage, it is a proof that espresso machines producing high-end espresso can be affordable. I think the market is missing a huge opportunity by not attracting inexperienced espresso lovers through similar offerings. Before getting into its features, let me present you the missing link. The PID keeps the temperature stable, which is essential for good espresso. The original mechanical thermostat could deviate 15 and even 20 degrees centigrade between on and off switching. This is an IMS shower screen. It replaces the original screen and increases the area by more than twice. The portafilter is naked with a Lapavoni basket, just the lips had to be straightened out. If you don't like the looks of the original aluminum filter, you can buy a stainless steel one. It fits perfectly and looks nice on the machine. A simple light dimmer allows for flow control and regulating the speed of extraction and the pressure. The pressure gauge allows monitoring and diagnosing the extraction. It's very helpful.